Here I am again. Before going in oven to be baked on 375, chicken breast stuffed with spinach, garlic. Spinach was sauté, organic of course. Sauté on with olive oil and garlic. Add turkey ham with no nitrates and another junk what they put in our food. Mozzarella cheese, also organic. Butter and another goodies, and you can see this is going in oven to be baked. I don't know how long. I will moisture with mocha from a meat, butter and rosemary. Great flavor. And when it's finished, I will add and bake another 10 minutes left over. We'll serve with my risotto, rice with peppers, carrots, and another goodies. Grandma loves you. Have a nice evening, children. Bye and goodbye.